If you're new to trading and you're feeling overwhelmed, then this course and this video is for you. Welcome to Trading Foundations, a Forex trading course for complete beginners. This is a 12 video series sharing 8 in-depth modules designed to help to provide you with a realistic and a strong foundation in trading. This course is a free offering that I am sharing here on YouTube, so please remember to like and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell ticked so that you get notified for every video released in the series. Also, please take a moment to read the disclaimer below, understand that trading is risky, and these videos and this course is for educational and entertainment purposes only. During this course, we will start right at the beginning, looking at what you actually need to start trading. We will explore the different financial markets, understanding Forex, stocks, commodities, and more, as well as some essential tools and terminologies. Focusing on the Forex market in detail, we will explore and understand currency pairs, market sessions, as well as who trades Forex and why. As the course progresses, we will look at different order types, brokers, and trading platforms. I will also share with you a step-by-step walkthrough on setting up your own paper trading account, which is a risk-free way of practicing trading and building your skills. Then we will move into technical analysis, understanding price charts, looking at candlesticks, chart patterns, support, resistance, market cycles, and so much more. We would also cover the basics of fundamental analysis, which is crucial for trading even if you are purely a technical trader. Towards the end of the course, we will cover some of the most important topics in trading, including risk management, crucial for your long-term success and survival as a trader, as well as trading psychology. This is often a misunderstood, underestimated topic, but equally it can make or break a trader long-term. I will be sharing with you 4 simple strategy types, as well as a clear guide on how to continue your trading journey beyond this course. This course is for you if you want a strong foundation without paying any high fees, if you want to improve your confidence, if you want to learn without risking real money, and if you want to make sure that trading is the right path for you. This is the course that I wish I had at the start of my trading journey. Why am I sharing this course for free with you? Well, I want to help you to avoid scams. At the beginning of my trading journey, I was lured into overpriced courses which were unnecessary. I also want to help you to develop your confidence, understanding trading before investing any money or any further time in the process. If you don't know me, I have been trading for 7 years. In 2024, I became a funded prop trader with the prop firm The 5%ers, who I continue to trade with today. I also balance trading alongside my lifestyle as a full-time mother of 2, with my 3rd child on the way in February 2026. So I understand the importance of realistic, structured learning. If you would like to support this free course and show your appreciation, there are a few ways you can do that. You can like this video, subscribe to the channel, be sure to comment throughout the journey, sharing your feedback along the way. You can also check out the recommended trading tools linked below. I only share tools for services and products that I personally use and find value from. These include brokers and charting software. Or grab a copy of my ebook Forex Trading 101, a complete guide for beginners, if you want to deepen your studies further. I hope that you enjoy this course series and find a lot of value with it. Let's build your trading foundations properly. I'll catch you in the first lesson. Bye.